Imagine a house born from the meeting of history and contemporaneity, where old and new do not clash but intertwine in constant dialogue with the rural landscape. Casa ACO, designed by Giuseppe Gurrieri, is a restoration and expansion project of two traditional rural buildings set in the serene landscape of the Valle d'Itria, in the region of Apulia, in southern Italy. Originally, the site was home to typical regional structures, a group of Trulli with their iconic conical roofs, and a lamia with vaulted ceilings, historic stone buildings that reflect the agricultural life of Apulia. The starting point of the design was extremely sensitive, to restore and preserve the authenticity of these rural volumes, maintaining their original spatial and material qualities, while at the same time transforming them into comfortable and contemporary living spaces. To achieve this, they designed two parallel walls made of local stone that not only define the property boundaries, but also organize the different ground levels and the heights of the various volumes. These walls act as both a physical and conceptual frame, guiding the eye and establishing a clear relationship between old and new. Near the entrance, a small building composed of two vaulted rooms was restored and transformed into a cozy guest house. The main complex, formed by two Trulli and former vaulted stables, was carefully restored and expanded to become the primary residential core. The contemporary intervention appears in the form of a new modern volume, gently inserted between the historic structures. Although clearly distinct in style, it creates a connection with the existing buildings through material and color continuity. The same white lime plaster applied throughout softens the transitions between old and new. Inside, the contrast between the smaller, more rigid volumes of the historic buildings and the spatial flexibility of the new block creates a dynamic experience where spaces flow from a traditional setting into a more open and expansive one. Outside, the garden and pathways made of natural stone connect all parts of the house, from the smaller structure to the main volume, including the pool area. This path guides us across the property, gradually revealing the transition between the more traditional and the more modern parts of the project. The way doors and windows are aligned creates a continuous view that runs through the entire house. The eye begins in the garden, passes through the living room, and continues into the interior spaces of the old buildings with their cone-shaped roofs. These roofs rise above the rest of the house and constantly remind us of the strong historical presence of this home. One of the most striking solutions is a cut in the roof that works as an opening for natural light. This detail highlights the meeting point between the old and new parts of the house, keeping an original stone wall, typical of the region's traditional buildings, integrated into the new space. Casa ACO is therefore more than a simple restoration. It's an architectural dialogue between eras, a synthesis of rural tradition and modern language that responds to its context in a sensitive and integrated way. This house proves that architecture can honor the past without being trapped by it. At the same time, it creates spaces that are comfortable, welcoming, and fully connected to the surrounding landscape.